Number 45, write a balanced equation for each of the following nuclear reactions, and then we have letter D, which is when strontium-90 decays into yttrium-90. Okay, so we just have to write a balanced equation, so this will be easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is for a nuclear reaction, which means that we have to use our nuclide notation. Does anyone know what the notation looks like? How many things you gotta have in your notation, generally? Yeah, it's the 3 things, right? The 3 boxes is what I like to use. And in this case, let's see what it says. Well, maybe we'll bring it over here. So it says that strontium-90 is going to decay into yttrium. So from that wording, strontium-90 is what we're going to be starting off with. Now, when you are dealing with any nuclear, substances, right? The big section is for the element identity. They told us that it was strontium, and strontium is Sr. So that's done. Now, they have to tell you what the mass number is, which is always the number after the element. So strontium-90, strontium-91, 92. They have to tell you that information because mass numbers can change for every element. And the mass number, since mass numbers are always higher in number than atomic numbers, they go on the top. So the 90 is going to go on the top. But now, what goes in this box? Yeah, you're right, it's the atomic number. And the atomic number is the one that is unique for each element. Each element has its own unique atomic number. So I have to go to the periodic table to look at where strontium is and find out strontium's atomic number. And in this case, strontium atomic number is the whole number, which is 38. So I'm going to write that down. Now, we know that strontium-90 is going to decay into yttrium. So I know that yttrium is going to be a product because we're decaying. So let's write out what yttrium looks like. Maybe I'll bring this a little bit closer. There we go. Now we have yttrium-90. And yttrium is just letter Y. Why? I don't know. Just a Y. So it's capital Y. That's fine. They told us that it's 90, so we have an atomic number of 90. And now I have to look on the periodic table to know what atomic number yttrium is. And it's right next to strontium, it's 39. But now if we just box this answer off and call it a day, it's not balanced. Treat this as a yield sign, right? Or an equal sign. The yield sign is an equal sign. So 90 equals 90, so that's balanced on the reactants on the product side. But 38 does not equal 39. If we're dealing with nuclear reactions, we gotta have some type of particles. Now, if we are decaying, right? Generally speaking, whether this is going to go alpha decay, beta decay, whatever it is, but if you're decaying, your particle, that's what makes it a nuclear reaction, PP. The particle is on the product side. So I know that I'm going to have some particle that was emitted into the atmosphere. Let's find out what that particle is to make this equation balanced. Well, 90 equals 90 plus, what number would be here? Yeah, it's a 0. 38 equals 39 plus, did you say -1? If you did, you're absolutely correct. 39 minus 1 is 38. But now, who has the identity, or what subatomic particle has the identity of 0 on the bottom and -1? 0 on the top and -1 on the bottom. It's the only particle that you know that's negative. That's the electron. Another word for electron is a beta particle. So you have 2 options here. Whether, and this is not centered, so we have to center it. Okay, so whether you want to put an E for electron or B for beta, that's fine with me. Either one is correct. And now we have a balanced, beautiful equation, and we're done. That's the end of the video. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for viewing it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't liked the video. It just gets the word out there in the YouTube universe that this channel exists. We also have physics and math videos on the channel if you guys need help with that. We love helping you guys out, my brother and I. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. You make the channel what it is, so thank you for watching the videos, and we're so glad that we're helping you out. So, yeah, let's keep studying hard, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? Have a great day. Bye-bye.